Hey peeps, what's up? Munchy here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use live translate, live caption, interpreter mode and much more on your Google Pixel 8 or the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So to enable live translate, you need to go into settings. Once you are in the settings main page, you need to go into system. You will see the option of live translate. Make sure that the master toggle here is enabled. Then this is your translate to language, so we want everything to be translated to English. Of course, if you tap on it you can change it. Then translate from are the different languages from which you can translate from to your language which is mentioned over here. So in my case I have French already downloaded, and if I tap on add a language I can download the other languages which are available. Now not all features are available across all languages. So for example, for Danish it is applicable only for messaging and camera. Similarly, if I select Filipino, it is only applicable for messaging, and in my case for French it is applicable for messaging, live caption, camera and interpreter mode. If you want to download any other language, tap on add a language and then tap on the down arrow beside it. Bam, here it is. It is telling me what all features it supports, messaging and camera. I'm going to say add a language, and now this language is being downloaded. If you have the toggle for only download languages on Wi-Fi, then make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you want it downloaded over 5G or LTE, disable this toggle and then that language is going to be downloaded over your mobile data connection. And in case you ever decide to remove a language, either you can disable the master toggle or tap on the language. You will get the option of remove language on the bottom left. Next up, let us see how you can use this awesome live translate feature while you're messaging with somebody. So somebody sends you a message in French. All you have to do is open the message, open the keyboard, and you will get a notification to use live translate. Say, yes, I am in. I want to use this awesome feature from Google, and everything will work like a boss. The messages which are coming to you in French will be translated in English. If you type anything in English, it will be translated into French. And the best part, even if you use Google's Assistant for voice typing, you speak whatever you want to in English, it is going to be translated into English, and the other person on the other end who only knows French is going to get everything in French. Damn bro, this live translate thing is pretty dope. A pretty seamless, awesome experience here on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro, running live translate like a boss. Next up, let us see how you can leverage this awesome live translate feature. If you're talking to somebody face to face, you don't speak their language, well, Google and the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro come to your help because we have something called interpreter mode. All you need to do is invoke the Google Assistant. So either you can press and hold on the power button to invoke the Google Assistant. If you have that disabled, you can always go into settings, navigation mode, and go into the settings for gesture navigation and enable swipe to invoke Assistant. Next up, let us invoke Google Assistant and tell them we want to use interpreter mode, and then it will ask us to select the language of the other person and our language as well. Interpreter mode.
Got it. What language do you want translated?
Next up, all we need to do is tap on the mic and start talking. Hey, how are you?
अरे आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बढ़िया हूँ, आप बताओ आप कैसे हो?
I'm fine. Tell me, how are you?
I'm also doing good. How's the weather out there?
मैं भी अच्छा कर रहा हूँ. कैसा मौसम है बाहर?
आपको बताइए, अब तो सर्दियों का मौसम आने वाला है.
You know that winter season is about to come.
Well, there it is. That is how you use interpreter mode working like a boss on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro using live translate. Next up, let us say you are visiting another country, you don't know their language, you are at a restaurant, you want to eat out, the menu is in French. What do? Do you get a translator? Hell no, you pull out your Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro. Then you tap on this camera icon on the search bar on your home screen, go into translate option, point it to the menu, and bam, there it is. You can see it was translated from French to English, and this again is live translate working like a boss on the Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro. And you don't necessarily have to use this awesome feature of live translate for menus. You can actually use it for road signs as well. And a pro tip while translating text or road signs is if it does not detect the language, tap on detect language. You're going to get a list of all the languages which you can translate from, and then choose your language. If it is not already downloaded, tap on the arrow beside it and download that language, and then you can use live translate to translate text, menus, road signs like a boss on your Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro. Next up, let us see how you can use Live Translate along with Live Caption to translate videos in a foreign language to a language in which you want the subtitles to be in. So for starters, we do need to enable Live Caption. For that, you will go into Settings, tap on Search Settings, and herein you can search for the word Live. You will see something called Live Caption. Select this, go into Live Caption and enable Live Caption, and over here select Got it. You do have a toggle to hide profanity in case you want to. Make sure that show sound labels and live caption and volume control is enabled. So if I now increase or decrease the volume, I do have this button on the bottom which I can use to enable or disable live caption. Then let us go ahead and open a YouTube video. So here it is. This is a YouTube video which we are playing. As you can see, we do have live captions which are in English. Let us tap on this. It is telling me live caption is in English. Tap on the three dots beside it and here and say translate captions. It is asking us, do we want to use live translate? We're going to say translate captions, and now it is asking us what language do you want to translate them to. So from English we are going to tap on the one which is besides the arrow or on the right hand side of the arrow. Change that to French. Select done over here as well, and bam, there it is. You can see that the live captions which are appearing now on our Pixel 8 Pro are in French. The video itself is in English, but we are using the magic and the power of live translate and live caption to have our subtitles in a language which we understand. In this case it is French. And before you ask me, hey Manchi, what if I want to turn off this live translate live caption feature? Just tap on the subtitles or the live caption, tap on the three dot, disable the toggle for live captions, select done, and bam, there it is. Our live captions are now back in English. Another great use of live caption is you can actually use it in calls. So make sure you have enabled it for calls. Let us go into settings and we can go back into the live caption settings, and herein we have caption calls. So you can ask every time, always, or off, and then also enable the toggle for type responses during calls. And then let us say you get a phone call. So once you answer the call, you can either choose to enable live caption for that call or not enable it. Then you can also change your live caption language. Let us change it to English, and bam, there it is. Whatever the other person says in English will show up as a text on your screen, and if you tap on the keyboard icon, you can actually respond to the other person. There are some AI generated responses as well. Select any of them, tap on the send button, and the other person will actually hear that text response which you just sent.
I am good. How about you?
I am also doing good. How about you?
I am doing pretty well.
Some pretty awesome and dope features available with live caption and live translate on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. What do you think? What is your favorite feature amongst interpreter mode, translating text and images, using live caption for subtitles in YouTube videos or any other video, or for that matter, having a conversation with somebody just by using live captions on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro? Do let us know in the comments on this video.